What is corporate compliance reporting? Compliance reporting is basically the act of jotting down how your business is aligning with government rules and regulations. These reports show the company where its compliance efforts are going and how well it's following legal requirements. The reports show what areas need attention, where the risks are, and how to make future business decisions. Larger organizations typically have a chief compliance officer at the helm of generating useful reports. Smaller businesses usually designate the responsibility to another staff member, such as an IT professional or a legal department representative. Once created, reports usually go to an external auditor. In terms of internal use, a stakeholder or a manager might read these reports to determine how to make changes to internal processes for better compliance in the future. Almost all companies need to have compliance reporting procedures, though the exact regulations to account for differ depending on the industry. For example, healthcare organizations must follow the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or HIPAA. One of the most well-known rules on it is the Privacy Act that protects the medical information of individual patients, especially electronic records. Retail companies must follow the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, or PCI DSS, for processing payments over credit cards. And European businesses must follow the data privacy regulations set by the General Data Protection Regulation of the European Union, also known as GDPR. It can be difficult to keep track of all the rules and laws that apply to your business. So what's the best option for modern companies dealing with a vast amount of compliance data? As regulations become more complex and change over time, it is notoriously difficult to keep your reporting procedures efficient. Smaller and medium-sized businesses with limited IT staff have issues handling all that data manually, and even larger companies are looking for a more cost-effective method without compromising on data quality and accuracy. Cloud-based tools such as Centraleyes are now available specifically to address this previously manual process. Today, companies can automate and orchestrate these workloads through tools like ITSM platforms. Here are just a few of the advantages to these platforms. Machines can process data much faster and with no errors. Valuable insights can be generated faster and with less lead time this way. Businesses can achieve continuous compliance thanks to the real-time nature of the analysis. Automated compliance reporting solutions can also alert management of risks and help adjust procedures accordingly. Standardizing reporting practices is now possible, which improves accuracy and efficiency in the process. Automated compliance reporting solutions can also generate graphs and charts instantly for easy analysis and allow users who are less tech-savvy to operate everything with just a few clicks. Automated reporting solutions aren't intended to replace your compliance team, but rather to help you work more efficiently and give you more confidence in your abilities to control legal compliance and effect corrective action whenever necessary. To learn more, go to centraleyes.com.